Hey guys, Min62 here and we are back with another video. And today I'm going to be telling you guys what to do in Anima Jam when you're bored. So first off, you can travel to all the different lands and then get to Mount Shivir last. Number 2, you can try and get adopted, and there can be quite there can be drama. So just prepare yourself for that. Number 3, cause some drama anywhere in Jamar. Number 4, you can make some of the derpiest looks, like I do sometimes when I'm bored. You can go to the newest party, the Heatwave Party. You can do things like that. You can go to the Heatwave Party, have some fun, chill, and relax. You can do things like that. Or if you just want to be, you can stalk. You can stalk other jammers. Doesn't have to be famous jammers. It can be like some random jammer that you don't even know. I lost count. Oh well. You can go on a shopping spree. You can maybe donate some gems to the animals, like the tiger. You can go for like, I don't know, the maximum is 5,000 gems. You can do some quizzes. You can try and win as many prizes as possible from the claw. You can try and figure out some glitches. You can look up on YouTube some Anima Jam glitches, see if they work. You can go to the basement of secrets and maybe do some role playing in there. Or maybe just do some role playing. You can also maybe do some of the challenges, like Anima Jam sends in a notification right in front of your screen. It tells you to try and break the ice, try and break the bridge, sleep in front of the Zeus statue. You can also try to. You can also make a main look if you have a YouTube channel. You can also do this if you don't have a YouTube channel. But you can try and annoy your buddies. Now this may result in you losing your buddies, but if your buddies know that you sometimes go a bit cuckoo, they could be okay with it. You can also go to the top of Mount Shivir and shout, "I love ponies!" guys! And then walk back down. And then also, try and find the markings of previous animals in Animal Jam, like the Arctic Fox one, the llama one, which is in Coral Canyons. If you just go to Crystal Sands and then you go into Canyons pathway, and then if you go around here, you can see the llama symbol. You can make a video if you have a YouTube channel. That is optional. You could do, I don't know, you can trade, although that seems pretty typical, doesn't it? You could maybe make some non-member outfits that other non-members could try to make. You can annoy famous jammers, or you can play some music in the background by playing Animal Jam, and like make a music video without having to record it. So yeah, those are all my ideas for you guys, and bye! Hope these also helped you, so bye!